Komiti mar od bura marango weche omenda ochako kawo pach jopiny ewi uso bath kambi mar Safaricom ne kambi mar tudruok mar Vodafone. Jopiny okone komiti ni kochuno ne nyaka us kambi mar Safaricom to mondo pesa ma oketi kata pesa ne ma owuok e uso makamano oketne ne dongruok manyalo kelo yuto ne jopiny. Walter Nyambaga noluwo sigana ni kendo mae report.
Nyim komiti mar od bura marango weche mag omenda ma ochwe kom kod jaod bura mamolo Kimani Kuria, kama chendo mar kawo pach jopiny ewi uso mar pok sirikal e kambi Safaricom ne kambi tudruok mar Vodafone, chendo madhi kawo jumbe 2 e counties 30.
Kama hii pesa itaenda na kusaidia kasi kama hiyo kufungua hiyo manjia na ile ya barabara, tutai support na kusema ni heko, sababu wauze watengeneze lakini trust iwe.
If you listen to Kenyans, what they are saying is what they are asking for. Hata wengi hawapingi. What we are asking for is accountability. Can the government assure us of accountability?
Wakati wanaenda huko kusoma na hatuna pesa ya kulipia hawa watoto wetu shule na hatuna pesa hata ya kuwanunulia uniform, itakuwaje kule na walimu naye wana pesa? Hii pesa sikipatikana ifanya ile kazi inatakikana.
Kae ma jopiny othalie kod komiti no kagikone gidwaro mondo kuponi Safaricom iuso to maromo shillings bilion 240 ketie gedo mag ndara kod kunde mag somo.
Hisa ambazo zinauzwa za Safaricom ambazo Vodafone anapewa 10%.
Sawa.
Ni gani hizi ambazo mwananchi wa Kenya haizi nunua?
So angalia hapa.
Ni sisi maskini kwa sababu hii pesa ni yetu. So Safaricom ikienda kuuza ile shares si pesa ya serikali bali ni pesa ya nani? Sawa. Kwa hivyo sisi tunase kuongea kusema mimi si support.
Piny omedo lero ni gin kod chich ni pesa no dwarore mondo chuogi chike moko mabiro tae makare manyalo miyo ok biti kode chudo magope kata lal kode weche mag mibadhi mamoko.
Buy the shares, or is the government who approach Vodafone? Because there is a price of 34 which has been put there. I guess Safaricom being a very growing company, maybe in the next 1 year, those shares will be even 50 shillings or even 60.
Jokanyo dwaro ni mondo jokenya mondo bedie kod pok mamalo e kata odoko ni bei mag pok gisani osekelo achiedh nade chiro jood bura. Koro biro chungo kendo keto e tim paro mawuok kuom jopiny e lipot michan pedhi ne od bura jumbe 2 mabiro.
If this transaction has to succeed, they must see where the proceeds go, and that must be ring-fenced in law. And all those views and all the other views that you've raised, we are going, and of course the issue of equity in terms of distribution of those projects. We want that if it goes to those infrastructure projects, they need to be identified early, they need to be equitable.
We want the government to invest these resources in commercially viable infrastructure projects that will bring in income to our country.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, KCC, Nairobi.